Aviation was always in my blood. I always wanted to learn to fly. It was always there. The most exciting part of the airshow flying is keeping it above the ground, doing my maneuvers and doing them as close to the ground as I can without hitting it. I'm going to strap this airplane on my back. You can't have an airshow with just military pilots. It's boring.